Hello friends, I am Nayashik from blogdude.com and welcome to a very special video. Because in this video we'll be creating something which we have never created before, totally different kind of website. Today we'll be creating a coupon website. This is the website which we'll be creating, as you can see on your screen. Really amazing, really super amazing, super awesome website, and I have taken inspiration from retailmenot.com. Let me show you the website. This is the website. This is a very famous coupon website. So you can get different coupons, different deals on this particular website. So I have taken inspiration from this one. We have a similar kind of header. As you can see over here, there are different categories, different companies. Now here we have different deals and coupon codes. And when you click on a particular code, when you click on this show code, you are redirected to another page. And in this page, you'll see this coupon code appears. And when you click on this copy, the coupon code is automatically copied. And you can use this anywhere you want. So we'll be creating a similar website like this. So this is the website which we'll be creating. Now let's first see the demo website which we have created, and so that you can get an idea what we'll be doing in this video. So here at the top we have a very beautiful header. This is our logo. This is the subtitle. I have given this subtitle. Then a big search bar, which is very, very important, because here people will come, they will search for your product, or they will search for some company. Like if they want some coupon code for HostGator, they'll search for HostGator and they can see the result. Then we have login and sign up tab over here. After that, below it we have our menu. I'll show you everything how to do this. We can obviously change the color scheme. I have selected this color. I like this one, but obviously you can create, or you can change the color according to your choice. After that, we have today's offers and coupons. As you can see, we have different companies like Amazon, sign up and get $10 for free. So these are different coupons, and this is a carousel. For example, if you see, we can just move it around, and this will be constant through all the website, throughout the website, on all pages, on all posts, all coupons, and so on. I'll show you in a moment what I mean by that. First, let's see what we have next. Now after this, we have a slider, very beautiful slider. Again, we have 6 or 5 different tabs, and when you click on one tab, this is obviously automatic. It will change automatically, but you can also change it like this. So we have $2 cashback on mobile recharges and so on. Everything related to coupons and deals and affiliate marketing. After that, we have a very beautiful tab section. We have 4 different categories. So here, this is the clothing category. So all the deals related to clothing are given over here. When we click on electronics, we have all the deals related to electronics. We have this show coupon code button. When we click on this, we'll see what happens when we click on this. First, let's see all the different tabs. So we have 4 different tabs. Now suppose you want this coupon code. So you click on show coupon code and you will be redirected on this page. So this is how a single coupon code page looks like. But first, let's complete the home page. Let's see the complete home page. After that, we'll go on that. Okay. So after this, we have a very, very beautiful section. This is the section. Here we have our social icons so that people can connect with us on different social media platforms. After that, we have popular stores. And when we hover this, we'll get, for example, when we hover eBay, we get 32 coupons. So we have 32 coupons related to eBay. After that, we have a very important section. Building email list is very important in coupon website, because if you have ever signed up with any coupon website, if you have ever signed up for a newsletter or something, you know that constantly we'll get for example, forget about coupon website. If you have signed up with Amazon or Newegg, you receive constant emails from them that we are giving this product for this discount and so on. So it is very important to generate. I'll also show you how you can do everything about a little bit of email marketing. Also, I'll show you in this video. So this is very important to collect more emails so that you can keep in touch with the customers and provide them new offers when it is available. After that, we have this section where we are it's optional. If you want, you can have this section. If you don't want, you can just remove this section. Basically, there can be two kind of website: a single coupon website wherein only you are the one who is providing coupons, who is allowed to publish coupons. But there are different kind of website. For example, retailmenot.com, you can also, the company has their own coupon codes, but user can also put in their coupon codes. So you can have this section if you want that kind of website wherein the visitor or user can also submit a coupon code. So they can click over here, sign up, and they can submit their coupon code. And after that, at the bottom, we have 4 different sections, very beautiful section. And a very amazing and awesome thing about this website is that creating this is very, very easy. I know people might be thinking, man, this is really good website, really, really beautifully crafted, nicely built, functional. So it would be very difficult to create this. But the answer is no. We will create it very easily, and you'll see how easy it is to create a website like this. Okay, now let's first see the coupon page, how the coupon archive page looks like. So we'll click on all coupons. And as I said you earlier, we'll have this section throughout the website. Whether we are on the coupon page, post page, wherever we are, we will have this section throughout the website. And obviously it is all up to you. If you don't want this section throughout the website, you can just remove it. But I thought it would be a very good idea to have this thing. That's why I kept it over here. Now here we have different coupons, and you can see this image here. It says 7% off, but I'll also show you how you can put in the image over here. For example, if this is related to Amazon, then you will have Amazon image over here, or you can have text like this here, which you're seeing over here. So we have few coupons over here, and we have this pagination at the bottom. When you click on 2, you will be redirected to second page and so on. And at the left hand side, we have a sidebar. You can select the sidebar location, whether you want this on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Here we have on the left hand side, and I'll show you everything from scratch, how you can create these sidebars, how you can put all these popular offers and recent offers, these social icons and so on. Now let's see how a single coupon looks like. So let's click on this. So this is how a single coupon would look like. We have this free standard shipping and returns site-wide. We have 7% off. And when we click on this shop coupon, it will redirect us to another page, and we also get this pop-up. Here we can copy this. When you click on this coupon code, it is automatically copied, and you can paste it anywhere. And you can also provide this get this deal link, and at the bottom we are again asking the user to provide their sign up form. This is optional obviously, but it is very important, as I said you earlier. Okay, so this was the single page. I'll also show you some extra things like how to create a contact page and so on. And if you notice that we have different sidebar for different purposes. For example, this page is related to coupons, so we have sidebar related to coupons. For example, here we have latest coupons, popular offers. But when we click on our blog section, let's click on blog section, and blog section is also very, very important. Whether it be any kind of website, whether it is e-commerce website or any kind of website, blog section is very important. And now here, if you see, the sidebar is totally different. Now here we have popular post. We don't have popular coupons over here. We have popular post because the user is seeing the post and he's expecting to see popular post and not popular coupons. So I'll show you how to do this as well. And when you click on this single post, let's see how it looks. And the website is really beautiful, really amazing, very beautifully built. I really like this thing. Okay, you have this author over here, related post, comments at this bottom section. Now let's see the contact page. Let's click on contact page. So this is our contact us page, and obviously again this is very easy to create this contact page. I'll show you everything from scratch. Okay guys, so this was a very short demo of what we are going to create in this particular tutorial. I hope you guys like this section. I hope you guys like the website, and if you guys are really excited, then stay tuned. And before proceeding further, if you guys enjoy my content, if you guys enjoy what I'm doing, the tutorials, and you find it helpful, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget to like this video, and if this helps you, then make sure you share this with your friends so that it helps some other people as well. Now let's get into website. So the first thing that we need, if you might have seen, or if you have seen any of my tutorials, you know that the first thing that we need is a domain name and a hosting account. So this is the domain name, coupon.nayashik.com. Domain name is very simple thing, like we have google.com, youtube.com, blog.com. So the name which the user will type in to get into your website, so that is a coupon, that is a domain name. And a hosting account is a host is a computer, or you can say it's a hard drive wherein all the data of your website is saved. For example, here we have different images, we have these different images, different text, and all the files. All this thing is saved in some computer which is running 24/7, so that whenever anyone visits your website, they can see everything. So that is very important. Without a domain and hosting, we cannot proceed further. So to get a domain and hosting, just open a new tab and type in blog.com/tmd. The link is also given in the video description below, so make sure you check that link. If you click on that link, you will be directly redirected to this particular page. Okay, we are getting some discount, but this is for regular package. We don't want the regular shared package. So click on get into cloud hosting, because that is the one which we'll be using. And it is very, very important, guys, to select a good hosting company, because there are many things that are dependent on your hosting provider. For example, the speed of the website is dependent directly on your hosting provider. If you have a good host, if you're using an SSD host, then your website will be way faster than the normal HDD hosting. If that is technical, don't worry, I'll explain you everything, and I'll help you to create a really good website, a website that is really helpful, really profitable, and that kind of website. Okay, so let's see. Here we have 3 different plans. We have starter cloud, we have business cloud, and enterprise cloud. But first, let's see the features which are given over here. So the first feature is that it is using a 6-core CPU. So as I said you earlier, guys, okay, let's get rid of this first. As I said you earlier, guys, a hosting is nothing but a computer or a hard drive that is running 24/7. So all your files are saved on that particular computer. So the computer should be very good. So they are using a really amazing computer. It is a 6-core CPU. The computer wherein your data is saved is a very fast computer. That is a 6-core CPU computer, which is amazing. And also they are using 6 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is another amazing thing. So the computer which these guys are using is really amazing. It will really speed up and boost up your website, which is very important for SEO. The sites which are good, which are really good, and which are very light, and which have very less page load time, then that site is ranked higher in Google, and that is what we ultimately want. Now the next feature is unlimited bandwidth, which means that you can download and upload unlimited amount of data from your website, which is another amazing thing. Now we have unlimited SSD space. Now this is something really amazing. Now there are 2 kind of hard drives. If you're familiar with computers, even if you have basic knowledge about computers, you should know this, that SSD is way more faster than the normal HDD. Now if you don't believe me, you can just open Google and type in SSD versus HDD web hosting, and you can see the result. There are many posts written on that. You can just read any one of those and you will find the same result. If you don't want to read, if you're someone like me who don't like reading, then you can click on images. Now here there are many different images that will tell you everything about hosting. I always click on this first one because this is very clear and very precise. You get all the differences in one single image. For example, as I said you earlier, we want our website to be very fast. Now here you can see the difference between the HDD and SSD hosting. SSD hosting is sometimes up to 20 times faster than the normal HDD hosting, which is another amazing thing. Now the second thing is IOPS, and it says higher the better, and you can see the difference over here. It is really higher, just a way more higher than this one, the normal HTTP one. After that we have latency, and it says lower the better, and you can see the difference. Here it is 4 milliseconds and here it is 0.04 milliseconds. If you want, you can do some more research and I'm sure you'll arrive at the same conclusion. So we have SSD space, and not only that, we have unlimited SSD space. So this is another amazing thing. We are getting unlimited SSD space, which is really cool. Now we have unlimited website hosted. This is another amazing feature. See, what happens is, suppose you're creating this coupon website today, and tomorrow you might want to create a personal website or a business website or an e-commerce website, any kind of website. So you don't have to purchase this hosting again. In this particular hosting, in the same hosting, you can host unlimited websites, whether it be e-commerce website, normal blog, or anything. You can host unlimited websites over here, which is really cool. So we don't have to spend money on our hosting again and again. After that, we have a free domain, which is another amazing thing. We are getting a free domain when we sign up with any one of this package. For example, nayashake.com is a free domain which I got when I signed up with TMD hosting. Okay, let me get rid of this. We also have a premium support, free cPanel, very good web server, wildcard SSL. Now this is also very cool. If you see the demo website which I have created, you'll see this secure socket over here, which is very important. All the big companies have this. You won't see any nice company, any well-reputed company without this socket. For example, let's see TMD hosting. They have this socket. Let's see YouTube. YouTube has this socket. This is very important. It says the user that this website which you're browsing is a secure website, is a safe website. So even if you have to, or even if the user or the visitor have to provide some crucial information like the debit card or credit card information, they should not hesitate. Okay, so this is very important. If you're creating a website in 2018, then you must have a SSL certificate. And here you are getting a free SSL certificate. Not only that, guys, it is a wildcard SSL certificate, which means that you can have SSL certificate for n number of websites. For example, I have created around 20 to 30 websites using TMD hosting, the same hosting plan, and I have SSL certificate on all my websites, which is really cool. If you go in market to purchase, if you go to any web hosting company to purchase an SSL certificate, it can cost you, from $40 to $400. So you're saving a lot of money. We also have an optimum cache, which would improve the performance of the website. Then we have memcache, memory cache, instance 256 MB. The performance is 3 times better as compared to these two plans. We also get a 60 days money back guarantee. So you can sign up with any one of this plan. I obviously recommend either the business cloud or the enterprise cloud. I would never recommend you the starter cloud. The main reason is that you can host only one website over here. Now, and suppose tomorrow if you want to create another website, again you will have to purchase a hosting plan, which is not a good idea. So I don't recommend the starter cloud. You can go with the business cloud or the enterprise cloud. Both are good. I am using enterprise cloud. So I'll just click on this get started. Now here you have to put in the domain name which you want for free. For example, I can put in nayashake1. I cannot put nayashake.com because that is already taken. I already own a website, nayashake.com. And from here you can select any extension .com, .net, .org. If you're creating any kind of organization, you can select .org. If your website is specific to one country, for example United States, you can select .us. Or if your website is specific to India, then you can select .in or similar kind of extension. For example, we have many websites which are only operating in India, so those websites have .in. But for most of the website, I would recommend you and suggest you to go with .com. That is the most used and most common thing. So just put in your domain name, whatever domain name you want over here, select the extension and click on proceed. Now here you have to put in some really basic information about yourself, like your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, and so on. And after that, you have to put in the payment information. If you want to make payment through credit card or debit card, you can select the type of card, MasterCard, Visa, whatever type of card you're using, card number, CVV number, expiry date, and you can pay through credit card or your debit card. Or if you want to make payment through PayPal, you can select PayPal, and you can just fill in all the information. So PayPal will be, you'll be asked for your PayPal information on the next page. So you can select anything whichever you find comfortable and easy for you. Now here you have to select your data center location. Now automatically the one which says nearest to you is selected, and I always recommend the one which says nearest to you. For example, here Singapore says nearest to me, so I'll be selecting Singapore. If you're in United States, then you'll probably see Chicago as the nearest to you thing. So whatever thing over here says nearest to you, just select that one. Now the period, I would recommend 12 months. By default 12 months is selected, and I also recommend 12 months because when you select 1 month, you will be charged $20 per month, but you select 12 month, you'll be charged $13. So you're saving $7 per month. So indirectly you are saving around $80 per year, which is amazing. And also in 1 month plan, you have to pay, you have to make payment every month. So that is a bad idea. So I would recommend you to select 12 months. You can also select 24 or 36 months if you're very much sure that you'll be, you're running this website or operating this website for a long period of time. But at least select 12 months. That is what I would recommend. If you want domain privacy, you can select this thing. Domain privacy is basically, when you create a website, there is something called whois. So whenever someone puts in your domain name on that whois website, they will have access to some of your information, like your first name, your address, and sometimes maybe your phone number, I guess. So if you want that to be hidden then you can select this domain privacy. Now here is a very important thing. This is a promo code. Now here you have to type in year 7 NAYYAR and numeric 7 and click on apply. Now this promo code gives you 7% off this purchase, and 7% is the highest discount that TMD gives on cloud hosting. So you're getting the highest discount on cloud hosting. So after you complete all these things, just check in all the information which you have provided, and after doing so, just tick mark over here and click on checkout. So once you click on that checkout button, you will receive an email from TMD Hosting, and this would look something like this. It has some important information like your FTP, username, password, your server IP, name servers, and so on. So make sure you save this email somewhere. If you own multiple email addresses, then you can mail this and forward this particular email to those different mail addresses. That would be nicer for you. Now we have successfully created a hosting account. Now the next step is to install WordPress on that particular website which we have just created. So here at the bottom you'll see cPanel link. Just open that link in a new tab. If you don't know your cPanel link, just don't worry. Put in your domain name, and after that type in let me show you. Put in your domain name. For example, for me it is nayashsheikh.com. So I'll put in nayashsheikh.com. After that I'll put a / and type in cPanel and press enter. You will be redirected to your cPanel account. So this is really easy. And here put in the username and password which you got on that email and click on login. Okay, so this is our cPanel. So most of the companies have a very similar, in fact the same cPanel. Whether you're signing up with HostGator, Bluehost, any hosting company, they all have the same cPanel, which is really good. And if you're using one, if you have already used one company, one hosting account with any company, you must be familiar with these things. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go at the bottom, and here you'll see under Softaculous app installer, the first option is WordPress. So select WordPress, and here click on install now. Now here we have to install WordPress on our domain name. So from here select HTTPS or HTTPS www. Okay, so this is really important because once you select HTTPS, we'll get this secure socket. Okay, and now select the domain name. You will have only one domain name over here because you have created, if you have just created your account, but I have created many different websites, so I have many different domain name over here. I'll select this one and just delete this thing. You'll see under in directory this input we have WP already typed over there, so just delete that WP and make sure this input is blank. There is nothing in this particular blank. After that we have site setting. You have to put in your site name and description. You can change this thing later on also, or if you want you can change it from here. For example, your site name could be something like blog.dot and your description could be like anything. You can put in your own description, whatever you like. Now here we have a very important thing, admin account. You have to select your username and password. Now don't ever keep the same. I know there are many people who are too lazy. They say, okay fine, I'll change this thing later on. But don't do that mistake. Don't be a stupid. Just change it from here, okay, and put it something unique that only you can remember. And after that put in a password over here. Okay, and at the bottom you'll see this admin email. Put in any email address which you have access to, and go at the bottom and click on install. Okay, so as you can see, WordPress is getting installed on our website. It will take few seconds, so just wait until this gets completed. Okay guys, so this is completed. As I said it took around 10-20 seconds. Now you have two different links over here. The first one is your website link and the second one is the dashboard or the administrative URL link. So you have to click on the second one, and let's get rid of these tabs now. Okay guys, so this is our dashboard. This is how your dashboard would look like. Now we are seeing that WP Super Cache is already installed. We don't want this. In fact, this is very important, but now I don't want it, so I'll just click on logout. And by default there are few themes and plugins which are automatically installed on your website. The first step that you have to do is to delete all those things, because we want our website to be very light. So we don't want any unnecessary thing. So you can just click on this plugin from here and you just deactivate anything that is activated. For example, we have 3 themes. After you deactivate everything, just click on this thing, tick mark this over here. It will select everything, and from bulk action select delete and click on apply. Now click on OK. Okay, so all our plugins which we didn't need it just got deleted. Now go to appearances, click on appearances. Here also you'll see we have 3 different themes which are automatically and pre-installed. So we have to just delete these things because we don't need these things either. So select any one of these, click on delete. Let's get rid of this second one as well. Okay, so we have deleted both the themes, and obviously you'll have to keep one theme. Now let's see how our website looks like. So let's hover this, or it would say your website name over here, and you'll see this site link. Open this link in a new tab and we can see how our website looks like. So this is how our website looks like at present, but this is totally different. We want to create an amazing website like this. So for that we need a different theme. Okay, so to get that theme, just open a new tab again, and this time type in blogto.com/coupon. Okay, this link is also given in the video description below, so you don't even have to type that link. Just go in the video description below, click on that link, and you will be redirected to this particular page. Okay, so this is the theme which we'll be using. It is a coupon theme, and as you can see the price is given as $59. Now I am giving you 2 options over here. I personally don't recommend purchasing a single product because this website is really cool. This website is mythemeshop.com. So what you can do, you can just click on pricing, And here we have three different pricing. First one is free theme. So free theme are, this website has few free themes which are not that good. So if you want to use those things, you can just click on sign up today, but you won't get any premium theme. For example, we are using coupon, you won't get that theme. So that is waste of time, signing up with free theme and so on. Now, if you want a single product, you can sign up today and you can purchase a coupon theme for $59. But the great and the most amazing thing over here is you have something called extended membership, and there is some discount going on at present, and we are getting the extended membership at just $87, which is amazing. Why is it amazing? Because here, let us get at the bottom. You can see this website has 101 premium WordPress themes, including coupons. So there are 100 of websites or 100 of WordPress themes like coupon, which are premium themes. And if you sign up with this membership, which is $87, you will get all those themes for free. And you'll also get 17 premium WordPress plugins. Okay, so there are premium themes, premium plugins, which you get all for free. I mean, only if you sign up with $87. So I think it does make sense, spending $60 on one product and just spending $17 more to get, hundreds of products. So I would highly recommend you to, sign up with extended membership so that you can get, all those products for free. Now, if you want to do this, just click on sign up today. Okay, here it will get you to this page, and I see that, okay, I had some, store credits. This theme or this website also gives some store credit. So I am getting more $15 discount, and the final price for me is $72. For you, this might not be the case, but for me, this is the case. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click on proceed to payment. And you can pay through PayPal or Stripe, but I won't make any payment because I have already purchased this theme. So let me show you what happens when you purchase. So let me go to mythemeshop.com and click on login from here, or I am already logged in. So click on members area. Okay, so here it is. I have already purchased the coupon theme, as you can see over here. When I click on this, now I can download the theme. So if you want to download this theme, just click on this theme files. And as you can see, the download is started, but I won't complete this thing because I have already downloaded this theme. I was just showing you guys how you could do this. So let me get rid of this. Once you download that theme file, come back to your dashboard on your under appearances and click on add new. Now click on this button which says upload theme and choose the file which you have just downloaded. So this is the file which I just downloaded. It says mts_coupon. Select this thing and click on open. Now click on install now. So the theme is getting installed. So meanwhile the theme is getting installed, you guys can do few things. You can subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and also like the video and share it with your friends if you find it helpful. If you have any doubt, if you have any query, any questions, if you want to ask me anything, or if you have any video request for me, then you can put those in the video in the comment section below. Now the theme is installed. Now here some people might have some difficulty. Sometimes what happens is you will get an error which would say the maximum size is only 2 Mbps or some kind of error. So what you can do, you can watch this video which I just uploaded yesterday. As you can see over here, one day ago, you can see this video, how to set up FileZilla FTP server, and I will have one more video in the video description below which will show you how to get rid of this whatever error that is, how the max size error. I have not uploaded that video, but I'll be uploading it today. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll see that video over here, and I'll also give you the link to both of this video in the video description below. So watch that video, it will solve your problem. But for most of you guys, you should not have any problem. You should be all right till here. Okay, Now once you have downloaded and installed the theme, it's time to activate the theme. So click on activate. Okay, so the theme is activated. Now this theme recommends us few, in fact this is not a recommendation, it is a requirement. So we have to install few plugins for this theme to work perfectly. Okay, so again we'll tick mark over here and it will select all the plugins, and from bulk action we'll select install, click on apply. So all our 4 of the plugins are getting installed. As you can see, all the 4 are installed. Now you have to click on this link which says return to required plugin installer. Now once we have installed, now it's time to activate all the themes. So again click tick mark over here, it will select all of them. Now from bulk action select activate and click on apply. Okay, so all the 4 plugins are activated. Now you can go to recommended, and there is one more plugin which I recommend because I'll be showing you how to install that and how to use that plugin. It is a free plugin, but there is also a premium version. If you have first let me show you the plugin. This is the one, WP subscribe. So you can install this plugin. I won't install this plugin, but what I'll do is I'll just click on our plugins, click on add new. I have a premium version of that plugin because as I said you earlier, if you sign up with that extended membership, you get this plugin for free, which I'm just installing. So click on upload plugin, choose file, and the plugin's name is WP subscribe pro. This plugin comes for free when you sign up with the extended membership on my theme shop. Okay, so that is getting installed. Okay, unpacking the package and so on. Okay, now click on activate plugin. Okay, so we have successfully installed the theme and plugin. Now let's refresh the website and see what are the changes. Okay guys, so this is already looking awesome. Now this looks very much similar to this particular website which we have created. So this is amazing. Now it's time to start creating our coupons. So to do so, you'll see at the left hand side this coupon section or this coupon tag, hover coupons, and click on add new. Now let's start adding new coupons. Now here you have to give in some title. For example, I can give a title like 60% off on HostGator hosting plan. It is really difficult to talk and type, so please excuse me for that. 60% off on HostGator hosting plans. Fine, because I have a coupon which is, let me type in the coupon, it is Nair 60. So if you wanna sign up with HostGator, you can select and use this coupon which is Nair 60 and you will get 60% discount on HostGator hosting plans. Okay, so that will really help you. So this is the title that you have to put, and you can put some text about this coupon or about this deal over here. So I won't put any text. What I'll do is I'll go to lipsum.com and okay, not list.com, lipsum.com, and I'll grab some dummy text. Okay, so I'll just click on generate lorem ipsum and let me grab this much. Let's copy this, let's paste it over here. Now what is the category of this coupon? Which is the category under which it falls? So it would be hosting. Okay, hosting would be a nice category name for this one because this is a hosting coupon. So I'll type in hosting, click on add new category. So you can create a category directly from here, which is really cool. There is no review, but if you want to review type, you can have different review type like star, point, percentage. I would recommend star. And you can give any heading to that, like leave a review, something like that. Okay, and you can also give a review from here, but I don't recommend that. Let the user give review about this coupon. So let's see what is left. Now you can put some tags, like here it could be again hosting could be a tag, and HostGator could be another tag. Tags are very important. For example, when someone clicks on hosting tag, they will see all the coupons and deals related to hosting. And when someone clicks on HostGator, they'll see all the coupons which are available for hostgator.com. So that is really important and very good. Now here you have some review description. As I said I would not recommend you putting review for your own product. Let the user put the review. Okay. Now here it will ask you user review. By default it is disabled, and make sure it is set to enabled. Okay, so you can put in your we should enable this to enable user to put in their review. Now here is some important thing: custom coupon information, featured text. Now what is this featured text? Now let's open any one of the coupon and let's see what that is. For example, let's see this one. So here this says great deal. So this is the featured text. Whatever you put in over here, it will display over here. For example, here we have great deal. Now instead of great deals, this is the by default text. I'll put in 60% off. Okay, extra rewards. Do they get any extra rewards? So we can put in something like free domain. Okay, like we get in this TMD hosting, I can put in plus free domain, and you can put a coupon expiry date. So what I'll do is I'll select the last date available. So 31st of December 2027. People used, you don't have to put in anything over here. It will increase automatically. Whenever someone uses it, it will increase by 1. Okay, so you don't have to put any number over here. Promotion type, what is this type of promotion? Is it a deal or a coupon? It is a coupon, but you can also provide a link over here. So what I'll do is I'll put in http:// and put in blogdude.com/hostgator. Okay, so whenever you go to this link, blogdude.com/hostgator, you'll be redirected to the HostGator account and you'll get a good discount. Okay. Now here you have to put in the actual coupon code. So it is NAYYAR60. Okay, so this is the coupon. Whenever someone uses this coupon, they'll get 60% discount. I think that is the highest discount in HostGator. I don't know, because 60% is a great insane amount of discount. So whenever someone puts in this, they'll get 60% discount, which is awesome. Now here you have to put in some featured image, which is very important. Okay, if you see now, these are the featured image. We have Amazon here, Sally, and different products, different things over here. So we'll have to upload a featured image. So let's upload a featured image. Click on select files. Let's see whether we have any image or not. Okay, what you guys can do is, let's first publish this without any image. Click on publish. Because I am providing, whenever I create a website or a tutorial like this, I provide most of the things for free, like the images, the whatever I have used over there, I provide everything for free. So what you can do is you can go to my website blogdude.com. I'll also give this link in the video description below, so you can just click on that link and it will redirect you to this particular post. This is the first post. Okay, so this is how to make a coupon website with WordPress 2018. This is related to the video which I'm making right now. So here also you can see, you have TMD hosting, you have HostGator hosting discount link, you have 60% off. You have this coupon theme. If you want this theme, you can just click on this thing. And I have this hidden section. Now, if you want to if you want to download these things, you can just subscribe to my channel, because this is available only for the subscribers. If you have already subscribed, still you have to click on this to unlock it. So just click on over here. Let's see how it happens. Let's click on subscribe and select any account. So I want to subscribe through this account, so I'll select this one, and let's select this one again. Okay, so I think I am subscribed. So when you subscribe to my channel, this link will be unlocked for you, and from here you can download a file. Just click on this download button. Okay, as you can see, the file has been downloaded. This is a very important file. I'll show you why. In that file you have many things. For example, let's go to that file first. Here is the file. This is how the file would look like. coupon website tutorial Nayashik, and when you unzip that file, you will have 3 different folders over here. And here we have a folder called media import, and this is the file which you have to upload to the website. And after you upload that website, all the media, all the images which I have used in this particular demo website will be available to you. Let me show you. So to do so, what you have to do, come back to your dashboard and hover tools, which is at the bottom, and click on import. Now here you have different options, like if you want to import from Blogger, from Blogroll, from RSS, Tumblr. So I want to import it as WordPress. So what I'll just click on this install now button, because first we have to install the installer or the importer. Now click on run importer. Now choose the file which is under media. So this will be under media import. Choose this file and click on open. Now click on upload file and import. Now it will ask you whether you want to assign this to a new user or to an existing user. Now I will assign this to an existing user, so I'll select this. Here it is, my username, and tick mark this thing, download and import file attachment, and click on submit. Okay, so as you can see, it says failed to do so. Let's see why is that. Let's click on media. We don't have any media. Let's try it again. And see what was the problem. Let's click on import, run importer, select the file. This is the file, yes. Click on open, upload file and import. Again the same steps, click on submit. Okay, it is saying failed to import. I don't know why. Okay, I know the reason. That is because I deleted the website from which I exported this file. So what happens is this file goes to that website, sends a request to that website and tells what I want, all the images and so on, and you get the images. But that is not happening over here because I have deleted that website. But this thing won't happen with you. You will be able to install everything. Okay, so this will not happen to you. Now what I'll do is I will just pause this video and I'll repeat this step and I'll show you everything. Okay, so see you after some time. Okay guys, let's try again. Let's see what happens. I have updated that file and hopefully this time everything should be fine. So again what I'll do is I'll hover appearances and click on import, and the same thing, run importer, choose file, and I have uploaded this file. I have updated this file. Okay, so I can select this file now, click on open, click on upload file and import. Now select this thing, the user, tick mark over here, click on submit. Okay guys, so as you can see now it says all done and everything is fine. So that was the problem. I actually deleted the website from which I exported that file. So that was the problem and that is solved. Now we should have all the images. Now let's click on media. And now as you can see we have all the images which we'll be needing in this website. We have all the images from the demo website which you have created. So the thing and the now it will be very easy for us to do anything. Now again let's go to coupons and let's edit the one which we left. So let's click on edit. Now let's scroll down and let's click on featured image. Now we can select any image from the media library. I have given you all these images so that it can be very easy for you to start creating a website. You have some text, you have some content with you, because many times it happens that you have just started the thing and you have no content but you still want to create a website. So for the time you get your original content, you can use these things to create a dummy kind of content. Okay, so let's select this eBay logo, eBay image, and click on set featured image. So let's update this coupon. Now let's view this post, how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, now this is how it is looking. Now later on in this video I'll be changing this. I want, instead of this text, I want the image which you have just set, the eBay image, to show over here. So I'll show you how to do that in the later section of this video. Now let us create one more coupon. Okay, so this is how you create a coupon, but let me create one more so that I can show you again, because in the earlier coupon section we had some distractions. Now let's create this one. Now this time I'll put in 7% off on TMD. Let's type in like this: TMD hosting cloud packages, cloud hosting plans maybe. Okay, fine. Now again we can copy some dummy text, paste it over here. Obviously you won't be copying dummy text and pasting. You will just type in something about this code or something about this coupon or the deal. For example, you can type in like, if it is a region, if it is some limited offer, then you can type in about, this is a limited time offer, it is limited only up to 31st December, so make sure you use it before that, or something like that. Okay, but obviously you don't put the dummy content over here. I'm doing it because this is just a dummy website. I'm just showing you and teaching you guys. Now this also belongs to the same category, which is hosting. So I'll select this one, and after this, the same thing. Now here again, instead of great deal, I'll type in 7% off. Now in tag, again it can be, now it will be TMD hosting. Okay, and hosting. So we have hosting over here. We have two tags for this one. Extra reward. Here also we have plus free domain. Okay, which is awesome. Now set coupon expiry date. So you can set in any expiry date you want. Okay, let's select this one. People used will be updated automatically, so you don't have to play around with that. Is it a deal or a coupon? Again, it is a coupon. Now again, I'll type in my website, blogdo.com/tmd. Now this is the website which you have to type. Whenever someone clicks on that button, show the coupon code, the coupon code is shown, but also one thing happens is that a new window is opened, and this is the link which will be opened. So you have to put in this link. Now here, put in the coupon code. For here I have Nair7, which I just showed you when, while we were creating the TMD hosting. This is the coupon code we used, NAYYAR7, to get 7% discount. Now let us add a featured image to this one, and this time let's select this Amazon one and click on set featured image. Now click on publish. Now let's see how this looks like. So let's view this in a new tab. Oh yeah, so this is also looking fine, and when someone clicks on this show coupon, as I said this thing is opened in a new tab, the link which we put over there, and when we cancel this and come back over here, we have this pop-up 7% discount. This is the coupon. When you click on this coupon is automatically copied, and later on in this video I'll show you how you can put a bottom section which I showed you in the demo website. Will be collecting the emails of the user, which will be very helpful for us. So I'll show you. If you stick to this video till the end, you'll learn a lot, I promise you that. Okay, let's get rid of this. Now similarly, obviously I cannot show you again and again. I have already shown you 2 times how to create a coupon. Now the same process will repeat, and you can create hundreds of coupons. Now again, what I'll do, I'll import the coupons, so that now this is again a bonus thing for you, because if you're creating a new website, you don't have many coupons, but you can import the coupons which I'm providing you, and that would really help you. That will really help you to build a website, or some dummy content and so on. So again, we'll see the same step. We'll go to tools and we'll click on import. Now again, click on run importer. Now again, click on choose file. Now this time what you have to do, you have to open this folder which you downloaded, and in that folder we have another folder which says coupon import. Select that, select this file, click on open, click on upload file and import. Okay, now same thing, just select any user, or you can just create a new user and assign all these coupons to that user if you want. Now tick mark this thing, download and import file attachments, and click on submit. Okay, so it took around few seconds and it says all done. So let's see whether everything is done or it is just saying something. So let's click on coupons. Now as you can see, there are so many coupons already created for us. So this is very helpful, when you're just building your website from scratch, you don't have any content, then these import export thing helps a lot. Okay, so this is how you do it. So let's see our website. Let's refresh the website and let's see what are the changes that have taken place. Now you'll see that nothing has changed. It's still the same, but when you put in your URL, you put in your website name /coupons, COUPONS obviously, and press enter, you will see that there are so many coupons already created, in fact which we just created and imported, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how you create a coupon. Now let's see how to create a category for the coupon. So again, come back to your dashboard. At the left hand side we have this coupon. We clicked on add new to add a new coupon. Now what you have to do, you have to click on categories to add new categories for coupon, and we have already seen this hosting thing. So you can create a category from the same coupon page, or you can create some category from here. But here I want to show you something like this. This is called parent category. So this is very important. Now why is this important? For example, you have something like, first you have an Amazon coupon. Okay, so you'll type in Amazon, you'll leave the slug name, you'll leave everything blank, just type in Amazon in the name and click on add new category. A new category has been added. Now you have this clothing category already in the Amazon, but if you want to create a new clothing category, so what will happen is this thing will dispute this, and that will not happen. But what is here is this, we will select a parent category Amazon, because Amazon is a single category, but Amazon is very big company. You have many kind of products in Amazon. You have clothing, electronics, fashion, and so on. So we can select a parent category and we can have some child category for that. So under parent category Amazon, we have clothings, and when you click on this add new category, you will see this line at before clothing. So this says that this is a child category. So this is also you can do. Okay, you can also do this way. Now let me delete this because we don't need these two. I was just showing you how you can do this. Now again, when we come back to the page which is just created, and we see the single post, when you see at the bottom, we see this thing in about the author, and my name is actually showing the username, which is very dangerous. When people know your username, they'll try to put in some random password and try to access your dashboard. And also this is not looking very good. We have this underscore after my name, so I don't want that, and I don't have any description about myself. So to solve all this problem, again you have to come back to your dashboard. At the right hand side top, you have this section. When you hover over this, it says howdy Naya Sheikh. Now you can click on anything. If you click on Naya Sheikh or your name, obviously it will be over here, or you can click on edit my profile. Both the thing will take you to the same place. So let's click on edit my profile. Now both the thing will take you to the same place as I said you. Now instead of nickname, instead of this is the username which we selected. Now we have to change this. I'll just type in my name but without an underscore, and display name publicly as, I'll select the new one. Okay, whatever you type in over here, you'll get that option. So I'll select this. Now this is without underscore, so this is not my username. Okay, now here you'll have your biographical info, something about you. So I don't want to put anything about me right now. I'll just again grab some lorem ipsum and paste it over there. Just put it over here. You can also change your profile picture from here, but I won't do that. Now let's click on update profile. Let's refresh this page and let's see the changes now. Now as you can see, I have my name, I don't have that underscore. I have my bio pic over here, all these things, and everything is fine now. Okay, so everything is fine. Now let's come back to our dashboard. Now most of the thing, in fact the most important thing is done, which was to create a coupon. Now let's start building the homepage and let's start building our website. Okay, because now we have the content, we have the coupons. Now we can start creating and designing our website. So to do so, just click on this theme option at the top. You'll have this theme option at the top. Just click on theme options. Okay, so the first thing is general settings. Now let's start building or designing our website one by one. The first thing, if you see in the demo website, we have a beautiful coupon, a beautiful logo. I'm always saying coupon because creating a coupon page and always using the same word, so that happens. So we have a logo over here, and in this website which we just created, we don't have a logo, we have the site name, but I want my logo over here, so let's put that. Now under logo image, click on browse and select your logo image, whatever it is. Okay, so I already have this one, so this is the one. This is logo.png. Select this one, click on select image. Now as you can see, this is the logo. Now you also have to select the favicon, so click on that, select, and this is the favicon. This is favicon.png. Whatever image you're selecting as favicon, it should be a square image, which means the pixels should be same, like it is 64 into 64 pixels, which is this kind of website, square image. Select this, click on select image, and favicons are these. As you can see, when in my demo website, in this top we have this favicon, this scissor, and when we see YouTube, we have this favicon at the top over here. Okay, so this is what a favicon is, very important. You can have some touch icon, metro icon. You can put in your Twitter username. Let me put in my Twitter username. It is Real Nair. You can follow me on Twitter. Feed burner URL. We won't be using feed burner. That is old ways of doing thing. Feed burner is a very old thing. We'll be using MailChimp. I will show you everything. Now if you want to put in some Google Analytics code and so on, you can put in over here. So this is also a very good thing, because normally to do this you have to do some really technical thing, like either opening your theme files, the main files, and putting your tags over there, or installing a new plugin and then doing all those things. But here we have a different section for that, so you can easily put in those things over here. Now we have Ajax quick search. Now this is very important and very useful. Make sure that this is on. I'll show you what this is. Okay, so first let's see all the settings. After that I'll show you what that Ajax quick search is. Now responsiveness, whether you want this website to be mobile responsive or not. Obviously yes. How can a website be not mobile friendly in today's time? And mobile friendly websites are ranked higher, by the way, on Google. So make sure you make this thing on. Now left to right language support. If you're creating a website, this coupon website, in Arabic and those kind of language which use right to left language, because in English we read like this, from left to right, but in Arabic, in Urdu, we have now things going from right to left. Okay, so if you have those kind of website, you can make this on. Number of product to show, it is by default 9, which is fine. So, okay, so after doing all these changes, just click on save changes. Now let's come back to our website. Let's refresh this and let me show you what that Ajax thing is. Okay, now here is our website. Nothing has changed, but when you put in your search bar and type in something like Amazon, okay, so you can see here it has used Amazon thing, that's why it is showing. And we have created HostGator. So let's type in HostGator. I know you are getting two hosts when we type in host, because hosting is used in both the thing. So this is a live search. We don't have to type in, then click on search, then it will take us to another page, then we'll have the search result. Here we have everything happening live. So that is what Ajax search is. Very, very important. So once you're done with the general settings, come back again and click on performance. Now this is again, I really like the way these guys have created the theme. Now they have simplified everything, guys. It is really easy. I'll show you more when we go to this section, homepage section. You'll understand how easy it is to create a website because of the quality of theme these guys have developed. I really appreciate it. Okay, now the performance thing. Now here the first option is prefetching. So what happens is, suppose you're on this page, single page, okay, single post page, and obviously there are high chances that after that you might see the home page. So what prefetching does is, it will before you go to the website, it will load that page. So what happens is, the page load decreases and the page speed increases, so that indirectly increases the performance of the website. And obviously, as I said you earlier, when the page speed is higher, you'll get a better ranking on Google search engine. Okay, now lazy load. Now make this thing on as well, because this is also very important. For example, when you scroll down, this is not happening because I have not yet saved the settings. Now here we have one image. Now here we might have 10 different images. So what happens is, when you use more images on your website, the page load increases, which is very bad. We don't want to increase the page load. We don't want user coming to our page and it is still loading. That is not a good thing at all. So what lazy load does is, it will load only first. For example, the user comes to this page, and now suppose you have one image over here. So the only that much time is taken, and it does not load the images which are at the bottom, which are from your away from your viewpoint. We are seeing and we are viewing only this section. Now when we scroll down and we see this image, after we come to this section, now this thing will load. So what happens is, this increases the performance. So make sure you make this lazy load on. So whether you want to apply lazy load to feature image and to post content images, you can select both, but I don't recommend selecting featured image, because maybe fine, featured images for fine. We don't want this to happen to featured images, but for content images this is fine. Now async JavaScript. So to add a async JavaScript to improve page download speed, so you can make this thing on, because it is improving your performance of the website. Remove where parameter, also make this thing on. So removing this parameter from CSS and JavaScript files, it will improve the speed in some browser which do not cache files having the parameters. Optimize WooCommerce script, make this on. We won't be using WooCommerce, but you can make this thing on. Now click on save changes. Obviously now if you refresh the website, nothing will happen because we haven't done any designing stuff. Now we are just doing some simple settings. This was related to performance, and I think this was a very important setting. This will improve the performance of your website. Now come to styling option. When you click on styling option, first option is color scheme. Now if you see over here, by default we have this red color scheme. We have this red color search bar icon, we have this red color button, but you might not like, the chances that you might not like this color, and suppose you want this blue color, this beautiful color. Okay, so what you'll do, you'll select this color, and before going anything, let's first save changes and let's see what happens. Now let's refresh the website. Now as you can see, now everything has become, all the thing has become blue. This button, this icon, whatever thing here as well. Okay, so if you want this scheme, you can select any color scheme. If you want this, if you like this, you can select this. Okay, but what I'll do is, I'll just keep this thing to default, because this is what I have used in the demo website. So I want to create exactly like this. Okay, so I'll keep that thing to default. Here we have left sidebar. If you want to make it right sidebar, you can select right sidebar. It's all up to you. Background color, the background color is white. As you can see, it's all white background, but you can change the background color as well. You can change it to black, blue, whatever you want. You can also have some patterns or some image in the background, but I don't recommend that, because that will increase the page load time, which is very bad. We want a simple white background color that is looking fine, that is looking nice, clean. Okay, so I would never recommend you to use any colorful background color or any kind of image specially. You can use patterns because patterns use a very small amount, they are very small images and they are just repeated. Okay, that is a bit technical, just don't try to understand that. But never use a image in the background, never ever. Just use a simple background, white background color, that will be fine. You can add a parallax effect. Again, I don't recommend that because we want to this today there is a lot of competition. There will be hundreds of people watching this video, thousands of people maybe, and all of them want to create a coupon website. So the one who creates a better one, whose website is faster, who is performing much better, will obviously win the race. So we don't want all these extra things which are not required. You can add in some custom CSS if you want. Now click on save changes. Fine, so this was the styling option, basic styling option. Now we'll have this header styling option if you want to change the color of this header and so on. So let's go to header, the next option. Now as you can see, the by default, this is the background color which is selected. This is, as you can see over here. Now suppose if you want to change this, if you want to make this thing like red or something, you can select this thing. Okay, and after that we have this section. Let's see. Again, you can use some different color pattern or different image or gradient in the header. It's all up to you. Now let me show you what a gradient is. By the way, it is a combination of two colors. For example, let's select red from, and let's select two blue. Okay, so we have selected two colors. Let's save changes and let's see. Now this will change the color of this header which you see over here. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, now this is also looking cool, and now you have this red color over here, and this is a mix up of both this color, red and blue. So this is also looking fine. I kind of like this thing, but I believe in keeping things very simple. So what I'll do is I'll just click on default, again default, and again at the top we'll keep this thing to default. Okay, again you can use parallax effect, which I don't recommend. Show header search form. So if you want to hide this thing, never do that, but you have this option. I don't know why these guys have given this option, but if you want to hide this thing, you can do so. But why would you hide that, man? People are coming to your website, they will obviously be searching for something, so they'll search something over there. Why will you hide it? So don't hide your search form at all. Now you can change the placeholder. For example, here it says search for eBay, Amazon, pizza, etc. And here if you see under the search form, that is what the placeholder is. If you want to change this thing, you can change it. It's all in your hand. Okay, show header login and registration form. Okay, here it is, login and registration form. Now if you don't want others to submit their coupons to your website, you can just make this thing off. Okay, but I will make this thing on for now, and I also recommend to make this thing off. But if you want a website wherein even visitors and users can provide their coupon code, then you can make this thing on. I'm sorry, I am making this thing on because I will have to show both the thing, so I'm making this thing on. Now we have navigation background. We have this navigation over here, this menu thing over here. We have this gray background color, and if you want to change this thing, you can change the background color of that as well. For example, if you want to change it to maybe let's see, suppose if you want to change it to yellow, which would look very bad, but just to show you guys, you can do so. Floating navigation menu. Now if you see over here, when we scroll down, the navigation menu is gone. So just again to go to the menu, we'll have to scroll up. But when you make this thing on, floating navigation menu, then what will happen is the navigation menu will float with us, or will stick with us. Okay, so whether we scroll down, scroll up, it will be up there with us. Okay, I'll show you after we save changes. Show menu, yes, we want to show menu. Show logo, yes. Let's save changes and let's see the changes that have taken place. Again, come back to your website, refresh, and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the color of this navigation thing has changed, and when we scroll down, the navigation is with us. As you can see, this is with us. Okay, let's change. Now let's again make this thing default. Okay, I don't want any pattern, anything. I just want to make it this thing default. Also this color, I want to make it default. Click on save changes. Let's refresh it again. Okay, everything is looking normal, which is fine. Now again, come back to this setting page and let's see, let's load it. Okay, fine. Let's see the next thing. Next we have footer. Okay, so this is the section, the footer section. This is the section we'll be playing around with now. Now footer widget, make this thing on. Why? Because if you see in the demo website, we have some widgets. These are different widgets actually. We have 4 different widgets over here. So we want those over here. So make this thing on. Footer background color. This is the default background color. Again, if you want to change this, you can change it. If you can have gradient, you can have all these thing, patterns and so on. You can select how many columns you want in the footer widget, 3 or 4. Here in the demo website, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So I'll select 4 from here. Extra footer text. Now this text which you see over here, this is the extra footer text. Okay. So here it is. If you want to change this text, you can just change it from here. And this footer text content, you can change both this thing from here. Okay, now footer social icons, here it is, our footer social icons. If you don't want this, you can just hide it, you can just make this thing off and you can change the footer social icon. In fact, you have to change it, obviously. Why would you keep this thing to default? For example, Facebook. So my Facebook thing is http://facebook.com/realnair. Okay, click on OK. Now similarly Twitter, it's http:// it's twitter.com/realnair. Okay, and similarly obviously you can put in all your social icons over here. If you want to add some new, you can click on add new. You can select which icon you want, Drupal, Envira, Dropbox, Dig, Dribble. I don't know who uses all these things, man. There are many different things. Whatever you like, you can select this. I don't want it, so I'll just delete this icon. Okay, after this we have background color. We want the same background color. And here you have the copyright text. Okay, this text, this copyright blog dude, copyright 2017 and so on. And after that we have this my theme copyright text, and this is the text which is at over here. So you might want to change this, obviously. So theme by my theme shop. So here it is, theme by my theme shop. So I don't want this. What I will do over here is I'll put in created by, and instead of my theme shop I'll put in Nair Sheikh. So I'll put in my name, Nair Sheikh. And I would really highly appreciate if you guys also do the same thing. Okay, if you just type in created by and type in my name, Nair Sheikh, and if you replace this icon which is under this double colons, this is what we call it, I guess. Okay, under ahref you have this link mythemeshop.com. You can change that link and put in my channel link over there, my YouTube channel link. I would really highly appreciate that, because that would redirect people to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so after doing so, just click on save changes. Now let's refresh this website again and let's see what are the changes that have taken place. Now as you can see, we have this line over here. That is because now we have our the widget section enabled, and we'll be adding widgets later on in this video. Now we have my company name, blog dude, copyright 2017, created by Nair Sheikh. When someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to my YouTube page. Okay, so this was our footer section. Now let's go to the home page section. Now first option is layout, but I don't want to play around with layout because I don't have anything on my website, on my home page. Let's go to our home page. Let's see. So we don't have anything over here, so we'll have to create something. So the home page, if you see in the demo website, first we have this carousel. Okay, so we have this beautiful carousel. So let's create a carousel first. So under home page, you will see the second option is carousel. Click on carousel, and the title is today's offers and coupons. If you see over here, here is the title, today's offers and coupons. If you want to change this title, you can change it from here. but I don't want to change it. I think this is fine. This is looking good. And now let's start adding some carousels. So click on add carousel, title. Okay, so as you can see, the title is actually not displayed over here. We are displaying the image. The title is not displayed. So you can put in any title. For example, here it is seamless. So what I'll do is I'll just type in seamless. This is just for me. This will not be shown and visible to the user. This is just for me to remember the name of this carousel. Description. Now description will be shown. Now this is the description. Here it says flat 20% off. So this is the description on $300 and above. So this will be shown. Now let's type flat 20% off on $300 and above. Okay, so this will be shown. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy this text because I don't want to type in all these different text, 60% off, $6 off, and so on. That will take a lot of time and it will waste your time. So I don't want to do that. Now we have seamless. Now we have to upload the image. Now under image you have this browse section. Click on browse. Now let's search for that one. Here it is, seamless. Select this. Now we can change the border color. For example, here the border color is gray color, and when we hover over this, it becomes this beautiful color. So you can change those things over here, background color, border color, text color, and you can link this thing. For example, if you have created a category for this particular thing, you can put in that link over here. Now click on OK. Now first let's click on save changes, and let's first make sure whether this thing is working or not. So let's go to our home page. Okay guys, so we have this thing over here. So this is working. Now let's start, let's create some more, okay, just to make it more beautiful. So again, come back over here, click on add new carousel. Let's see, next is eBay. So I'll just type in eBay and I'll paste in the same description because I don't want to waste your time. Browse image and we'll select eBay. This is the one. Select this thing and everything is fine. Okay. After that we have Sally, and after that we have Amazon. So first let's add Sally. Same description. Image. Okay, this is the one. Select this. Click on OK. Click on add carousel. After this we have Amazon. Okay, as you can see, this title is just for your sake, so okay, this was the one with which was related to eBay. So suppose if you want to make some changes in the future, you can just click on this. You don't have to search which was the one. Okay, so that is important. Put in the description, image, Amazon, select it, click on OK. After that we have Tritello. I don't know what this is. Tritello, whatever it is, just type in the title over here. Okay, Tritello. Paste it in the description. So let's upload the image over here. Click on OK, and the last one is Shopify. So click on add carousel. Title will be Shopify. Description will be same. Image will be Shopify image. Let's search for that. This is the one. Select image. Click on OK. Click on save changes. Now everything should be fine. Now come back to your website, refresh, and let's see the changes that have taken place. Okay, so we have a very beautiful carousel and this is working. As you can see, you can scroll with your mouse. You can click on these buttons to scroll. So this is really looking amazing. Now what I have to do, I want this section on all my pages. Okay, so let's do that. Again, come back to this page, and here at the bottom you have show carousel on other pages. So I want to show carousel on coupon archive page, on single coupon page, blog page, single post page, single blog page. So I want to show this on all the pages. So I'll select everything and click on save changes, which we have already done. Now after that we have to create this slider. So let's do that. Come back to the settings, click on slider. Okay, now first let's add some slider. After that we'll see all these settings and so on. So to add a slider, just click on add slider. And as I said you earlier guys, they have really made it really easy for us. We don't have to install a new plugin to add a slider, a new plugin to add a carousel, and so on. Everything is given in one single page. You just have to go step by step and everything will be done. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Now here the title will be visible to the user. Okay, so the first title is 70% off. Now I won't type the same thing again. I will just paste in the code which I have copied, and I'll upload the image. Now let's see, the first image is this one. So let's select this image. Now again, just to remind you guys, all the images are given, so you don't have to search for this. This is the one. Click on select image, click on OK, fine. And so easy, with that simple step we have added a slide. Now let's add another slide. Let's put in the same title just to save some time. Click on browse image, and the second one is this bag image, and this is the one. Select this one, click on select image, click on OK, click on add slide again. The third image is the shoes image, so you can put in the title, browse, select this shoe image, click on select image, OK. After that we have this section, and we have this beautiful image. Click on add slide, select that image, this is the one. Click on select slide, OK. And the last slide is this one, this watch, beautiful watch. Okay, click on add slide, put in the title, select that image, here it is. Click on select image or select slide, click on OK. So we have added I think 5 different slides, and you can give some animation. For example, here you see this is the slide animation. You can give fade animation. You can change the background color. For example, here this is the background color, this purple color. If you want to change this, you can change that color. You can put some pattern, upload some image gradient in the background. I don't recommend that. And after that, obviously, again, you can make it parallax effect if you want, but I don't want to do that. So I'll just click on save changes. Now again, come back to your website. Let's refresh this and let's see the changes. Okay guys, so we have created 2 beautiful sections, the carousel section and this section, and both are working fine. When you click on this, and we have this fade animation which is looking fine. Okay, so we have created 2 sections very easily. Now let me show you that layout section which we just skipped. So the first one was layout. Now suppose I want this section at the top, the slider section at the top, and below that I want this carousel section. So I can do it easily. I can just drag this slider at the top and the carousel at the bottom, and click on save changes. Now come back to this website, refresh, and let's see. Now as you can see, when I refreshed, the slider is now at the top and we have the carousel at the bottom. In fact, we can disable any one of this section, whichever we want. Okay, so for example, I just don't want this slider section. So what I'll do is I'll drag this slider section and put it under disabled, and click on save changes. And over here again, I'll refresh the website. Now as you can see, now we don't have the slider section at all. Okay, so you can do so, it's all in your hand, whatever you like, however you like your website, you can design it that way. Okay, and it is really easy, but I want this slider section, so let's get this slider section below carousel. And we also want this subscribe section which is disabled. We want this about sign up section. Okay, so make this put this subscribe section about sign up section, and this section will only be visible if you have installed the WP subscribe free plugin or WP subscribe pro plugin. Okay, both the plugin will work this. Now click on save changes. Now again, refresh this website. Everything should be normal. We have the carousel, the slider, and everything. Okay, so this is working. Now again, come back to the settings. Let's let it reload. Okay, fine. Now let's see, we have seen the carousel, the slider. Now let's see the category tab. Now first let's see, okay, this is the category tab. You have different categories, different tabs with category. When we click on that, for example, when we click on electronics, we see all the coupons, all the offers, all the deals related to electronics category. Very important again. Let's add this. So to do so, as I said, you just click on this category tabs, and let's add our first category tab. So just click on add category tab and let's select clothing. Click on OK. It is that simple, guys. We just click on add new category, select the category, click on OK, and done. Let's select the third one, food. OK, done. Fifth one, hosting. OK, it's done. And the last one, okay, we have travel. Click on OK. Now we can limit the number of posts to be shown. For example, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 posts, and the default value is also 8. I think 8 is fine. That is looking good. And you can change the background color for this one. The white background color is looking nice, so I don't want to change that. I want to keep it to default. Okay, now click on save changes and let's refresh our website and let's see the changes. Okay, so we have this section as well now. We have this hosting, travel, all these different sections. Okay, I think I clicked somewhere else. Let's go back to our home page. Okay, so we are done with this section as well. Now let's see the next section. After this, we have this section which is already over here, okay, which is by default over here. But the only thing we have to do is change the links. And if you want to change this title, obviously you can change it from here. Let's see. So we have these social icons. If you want to change the title, if you want to change the background color again, you can change that. If you want to change the section title, you can change it from here. And to change the URL, the link of your Facebook, you can just change it from here. So let me again put in my URL, http://facebook.com/blogdude. Okay, and similarly you can put in all your URLs. So here you can add some more social links, social icons if you want. Click on save changes. It is already over here, so we don't have to refresh the page to see the changes because it is already given over here. Now let's see the next setting. Let's see over here. So here in the demo website, you will see we have popular stores, and when we hover this, we have a different color and different text, okay, for all these things. So let's create this one now. We have 1 2 3, okay, 6 at the top and 6 at the bottom. I think we'll create only 6 because creating 12 of this will take a lot of time. So we want to save some time because it is doing the same thing again and again. Okay, to do so, again come back to this page and click on popular stores over here, and you can change the section title. Instead of popular stores, you can select most selling stores or something like that. Okay, now we have seller store items. To create a new store item, just click on add store. Name this store. For example, here it is Amazon, and again here as well the store name is not visible to the user. It is only for your sake. The image and the offer is visible. Okay, so I'll type in Amazon. This is only for me, and I'll upload the logo image. Let's select Amazon from here. This is the one. Select it. Header text. Here it says 12 offers. So if you have 12 offers related to Amazon or on your website, you can type in 12 offers. If you have more offers or less offers, you can type it over here. If you have 12 coupons, instead you can type in 12 coupons and so on. Okay, and obviously you have to link it to the coupon related to Amazon. So you can just change the link. Click on OK now. So we have added one. Okay, I think we missed something. Yeah, we missed one thing. We can change this hover color. When we hover this, the color changes. So for Amazon, this is this orange kind of color. So let's select that. So we have store background color, store hover background color. So this is the one we have to select, store hover background color. Let's select this orange color. Click on OK. Let's click on save changes. Come back to your website. Let's refresh and see the changes. Okay, so we have a popular stores over here, and when we hover this, as you can see, we have this orange color in the background and we have our text 12 offers. Okay, so we can do so. We can create different store and put in some different background color. Now let's create another store. Click on add store. And let's create eBay with a blue background color and text which says 32 coupons. Okay, So it's eBay. Okay, logo image, let's select that. This is the one. Click on select image, and here we'll say 32 or 23 coupons. Background color will be blue in this case. Click on OK. Now let's click or create another store. Click on add store. This time it is Tratello. I don't know what this is. Tratello. Okay, let's upload the image. This is the one. Let's see the hover text. Maybe 10 deals we can find. Deals. Background color for this, maybe it can be red. Click on OK. Let's add 3 more. Click on add store. Let's add Sally. Click on, just type in Sally at the title name or store name. Select the image, select this Sally image. Click on select image. Hover text, maybe 5 offers. Okay, it can be anything. Sally, the icon or the logo image is pink, so let's select a pink color for this one. Let's select pink from here. This is pink, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, this is pink. Click on OK. After that we have, let's add Shopify after that. Okay, click on add store. Name will be Shopify. Logo image, browse image, and let's search for Shopify over here. This is the one, and Shopify logo color is green, so let's add a green background color. Fine. Click on OK. Now let's add the last one. Let's add seamless over here. Okay, click on add store. Type in seamless at the top. Let's select the image. This is the one. And here I'll put in, I just don't put anything. That is the default background color, which is black. Now let's click on save changes. Let's refresh our website and everything should be fine. Okay, so here we have, now when we hover over this, we see different text. And okay, we forgot to put text on both this thing, which is fine. Okay, now after that we have this section, but I don't know why this section is not showing over here. We had made this thing. Okay, I don't know why. Click on subscribe. This says this will not work without this, but we have already installed this, but still this is not working. I don't know what's the issue. We have this thing in the demo, but we don't have it over here. I don't know why is that so, but don't worry, we'll see that later on. First, let's move on. So after that we have this sign up thing. So when you click on this sign, this is the one. We have some text, a button, and this button is redirected to some page. Okay. So before this, before you put this thing, because for this you'll need to create, you'll need to allow users to sign up to your website or to register to your website, and by default that is disabled. By default WordPress disables the registration. So first we'll have to fix that. So to do so, click on settings from the left hand side and go at the bottom. You'll see this membership, and after that we have this thing. Now just tick mark over here which says anyone can register, and click on save changes. Okay, now again we can go to theme options. Click on theme options from the top. Okay, scroll down and we were on sign up. Now select sign up, and okay, here it is. Now we can change this sign up title and so on. So here it says sign up and start earning extra cashback with blah blah blah, and we have a button which says sign up for free. So if you want to change anything from here, you can do so. Okay, and here is the button sign up for free. You can put in the button URL. So you have to put in the sign up URL, okay, which is over here. So what you can do, you can just copy this link from here, hover sign up, click on copy link address and paste this link over here. Okay, and click on save changes. Let's refresh. So everything will be fine, only that link will be changed. Okay, now when we click on this link, it will redirect us to that sign up page link. Okay guys, so with this we have completed the home page successfully, And let's see what we have next. We'll see this footer section at the last. Okay, first let's see what we have next in the theme options. We'll go according to the theme options. Okay, so after that we have coupon archive. So how the coupon archive page looks, we can change it from here. Let's see how it looks at present. So what you can do is, we don't have any menu, so we'll have to type it over here. After your website name, just type in slash, where is that? Okay, slash coupons. Okay, so this is your coupon archive page and this is how it looks. Now we can change something over here, and this is very important and very good. Okay, so the title, page title, it says offers and coupons. You have this thing over here, offers and coupons. Okay, so instead of, you can change it anything, for example, coupons and deals, just to show you that you can change it from here. 202 offers plus up to 10% extra reward. So maybe we can add like 104 offers or 104 coupons. Let's type in 104 coupons, and instead of up to 10% reward, let's make instead up to 50% extra reward. Okay, number of coupons to show here, it is 6, and I think that is fine. You can make it 5 or 6 is fine. Coupon archive sidebar, single or per category. Okay, so we have single sidebar, which is fine. Exclude expired coupons, you can make this thing on if you want. I think you should make this thing on, but I'm not doing this, but you should do this. Okay, coupon thumbnail. Now this is what I want. I don't want the text over here, you know, it says 7%, 60%. Instead I want the thumbnail, the Amazon image, the eBay image, and so on. Okay, so instead of text, I'll select image. Now the post meta information. Now here you see how many people have used this, posted by which author, when is this expiring. So if you want these things, you can keep this thing under enable, and you can change the thing. For example, if you want the author at the bottom, you can select author at the bottom, and we have people used. In fact, if you don't want the author at all, you can just drag the author in the disabled section. It's all up to you. Okay, now pagination type. Here at the bottom you'll see this pagination type is numbered. You can change this thing to Ajax, load more, auto infinite, scroll, and so on, next and previous. I think numbered is good, so keep this thing to numbered. Click on save changes, come back to your website, let's refresh and see the changes. Okay guys, so this is looking awesome now. Okay, we have a different thing over here. It says up to 50% extra rewards, and instead of those boring text, we have beautiful images over here. So this is looking amazing. I really like this thing. Okay, so let's see what we have next. We are done with the coupon archive. Now we have coupon single, how a coupon single page looks like. So let's see how it looks like. Let's click on single coupon. So this is the single coupon page, and this is how it is looking. Now let's see what we can change over here. Now again, coupon single page layout. Now what is the layout which you want? So for example, the default layout is at the top we have the content, then we have recent offers, then we have related offers, then we have author box. Okay, and we also have this subscriber box. I want this subscriber box above the author box. Okay, you can also have these tags. Let's keep these tags. Okay, but before, let's see how it looks before without that. Okay, here we don't have tags, here we don't have that subscriber form, and I think the tags will be just after the post content. Okay, let's save changes and let's see how it is looking at present. So let's refresh this page. So we have the content, we have the tags which we just put, we have the recent offers, related offers, about the author, and again I don't know why this subscriber thing is not working. We have installed the subscriber plugin. Let's check that again actually. Okay, let's go to plugins, click on install plugins. And okay, yeah, here we have WP Subscriber Pro. I think we have to do some changes. Yeah, we have to do some changes over here under settings, WP Subscribe Pro. Oh, we should do now or we should do later. Let's do it now. Okay, so hover sub settings and click on WP subscribe pro. Okay, we have not enabled anything, so just click on enable pop-up. Now this is a pop-up and this is very important and this is really cool. Okay, so what do you want in pop-up? Do you want to show related post? Do you want to, and you can also see this preview. For example, by default it is show subscribe form in pop-up. You can increase the width of this, you can change this animation, overlay color and so on. Let's preview how it looks like. Click on preview pop-up. So this is how it will look and this is looking nice. So I would save changes and you can do some changes over here. Let me show you. For example, you can change the content. Here it says get more stuff like this in your inbox. So instead of this, if you want to type in something else, you can do so. Then at the bottom it says we respect your privacy and so on. So if you want to change this text and so on, you can change it easily. Let me show you how. Click on pop-up content and from here you can change everything. You can change the color. For example, this is the layout color, but if you don't want this layout color, you can just change anything from here. For example, instead of this background color, you can select this blue background color. Okay, it is not showing, but it will happen. Okay, and we also have some predefined color sets. So when you click on this and let's select the first one. Now let's preview the pop-up. Okay, so this is how it will look like. You can change this thing again if you want some different background color, for example white background color, you can do so. Click on save changes. Now again click on pop-up content, and as I said you earlier, we won't be using feed burner, we'll be using MailChimp. So select MailChimp from here and you have to add a MailChimp API URL. So open a new tab and type in mailchimp.com. And if you don't know how to use MailChimp and if you want to learn email marketing for free, what you can do is you can just go to my YouTube page, and I have recently uploaded this video, free email marketing. It is 1 hour 10 minutes long video, which means it is a nice lengthy video. You can learn a lot how to convert users, visitors into your subscribers, how to increase your subscriber list, and how to do email marketing for free. I have shown everything over there. Okay, so you can watch that video, that is very helpful. I will give this link in the video description below. You can check out that video. Okay, now here click on login. I'm showing you where you can find your API. Okay, now once you log in, you have this thing at the top. You click on over this and click on profile. Now from here you have this option extras. Click on extras and click on API keys. And we don't have we do have a API key. Just select this thing, copy it from here and come back over here, paste it. Okay, now when you see this, it says there is no list. Now what you can do, once you have pasted in your API key, you can click on get list, and after that you will see all the list which you have created over here. And obviously if you don't know anything about it, you won't understand what I am doing right now, but once you watch that video which I am talking about, it will clear all your doubts. Okay, so I'm selecting this list and you can change anything from here. For example, if you want to say instead of sign up now, if you want to change this text, you can do it easily. Okay, so this is what I want. I'll click on save changes. Okay, now we have third option, pop-up triggers. So when should this pop-up trigger, when should this pop-up show to the user? So you can select this show pop-up when visitor enters the site. I don't recommend this. Show pop-up after 15 seconds. You can increase or decrease the timing, and this is most important, the fourth one, show pop-up when visitor is about to leave. Okay, and you can set the cookie expiration. So once the visitor have visited your website, so till 14 days, after 14 days from that day, he won't see this pop-up again. But after 14 days, when he comes again to your website, he again will see this pop-up. Okay, now click on save changes. Now let's see whether this is working. So let's refresh our website. Now when we scroll down, after 15 seconds that pop-up will show, but there is one more option which we enable. Let me show you. When we go at the top, as you can see, when we try to close this thing showed up, and this is really helpful, very helpful, guys. So you can use this thing to generate, to increase your subscriber list, to increase your audience and so on. Okay, so this is how you use it. So this was related to pop-ups. Now come to single posts, okay, and make this thing enabled. Now we have to show this thing in the single post. This was different pop-up, and this thing is different. Okay, I'll show you what this is. Now where do you want to show this subscriber form? Okay, so I want to show this after the post content, so I'll select after the post content, and again instead of feed burner I'll select MailChimp. I'll put in the same API over here. I'll select the same list, and you can change all these things from here. You can change the color settings from here again, and let's save the settings and let's see whether this is working now or not. Let's refresh this page and see the changes. Okay, we don't have it still. I think there's something wrong going on. Let's do one more thing. We have done all the settings over here, and let's save this again. Let's refresh it again. Okay, even if still it is not showing, there is another option. What you can do, you can come back to your dashboard and hover appearances and open widgets. Okay, now when you'll open this page, go at the bottom and you'll see something called WP Subscribe Pro widget. Click on that widget, and here select subscribe widget area. Click on add widget. Okay, now again instead of feed burner, select MailChimp, put in your API URL over here, select the list, and okay, fine, rest everything is fine. You can click on labels to change these settings. You can click on colors to change these settings. Okay, click on save, and hopefully this should work. Let's refresh this page. Okay, now it is showing, guys. Okay, this is what I was talking about. We have this beautiful section over here, and I think now it will also show on the home page. Now let's come to our home page. Let's scroll down. Okay, now this is also showing on our home page. So this is really helpful, and this is how you show it on your home page or any page. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. So I hope it was helpful. Now let's move forward. Let's see what we have next. Again, click on theme options. Okay, yeah, leave. We have done all the settings, I guess. And let me remember where I was. Let it load first. Okay, so we were over here, coupon single. What we want where. Okay, so this is the thing we were dealing with, and after that single coupon post meta information. So again, let's click on single coupon. Let's click on any one of this. Okay, so post meta information. Again, this is the meta information, how many people have used, who is the author of this post, when is this coupon expiring, and so on. So you can enable, disable these things over here, and we have two options over here, pop up and pop under. So what this thing is related to this button. So when we click on this button, as you can see, one new page is opened and we are redirected to this page, and when we cut this page and come back to this same page, we have this thing. Okay, so we have this coupon over here. So this is pop up, and we have another option which is pop under. So let's see how this thing works, pop under thing. Okay, let's refresh this website again. Now again, let's click on this button. Okay, as you can see, now what happened is we opened a new tab, but that thing is open in the background. Okay, and we are on this page. So this is also very helpful. Both the thing are almost same. Okay, now you can cut this thing, and we should have one more option. Yeah, this is the one, subscribe box in pop-up. This is very important. Make this thing on. Click on save changes, what this will do is, for example, without let's see first without saving changes. So when we click on this, okay, you'll see this pop up. Okay, and okay, I think we have saved the changes, and this is what it does. Okay, we have this subscribe form below this thing. So this is very important again to increase your subscribers. Okay guys, so we are done with this setting as well, and let's see what we have next. So this were, I guess, coupon single. Now come to blog. Okay, so we have blogs over here, but before doing anything with blog, first we'll have to create a single blog so that we can play around with it. Okay, so first what you have to do, at the left hand side we have this thing called post. Hover post and click on add new. Now from here we can create different posts, different blog. Okay, so let's see how a post or a blog looks like. So let's click on, this is our demo website obviously. Let's click on blog. Okay, so this is a single post, as you can see. Let's click on this. Okay, this is just a rating blank post. So let's click another one. Let's open this one. Okay, so this is how it will look. You have the featured image at the top, I think, which is using parallax effect, which is not good. Okay, and this is the title. You have the content of the post over here. Okay, this is all the content. After that we have some social links, related post, about the author, total comments, and so on. Okay, so let's add our first post, and this is the title. This will be shown, and as you can see here it says parallax. We don't want parallax, so we want a simple post. So this is the title, and this is everything that will come under the content. Okay, and if you copy everything from here and paste it, you will see that it has used everything accordingly. Okay, so this is heading 6, and this is some, this is numbered thing, and this is using bullet points. Okay, so this is where your content will come, which will be over here. This is a very basic thing, that's why I'm not explaining much. I'm just copying and pasting very basic thing. Okay, and after that again from here you can create a category, and remember this is not the same category which we created. That was the coupon category, and this is a post category. So for example, this post is related to animals, so I can type in animals and click on add new category. So this is something different, that was totally different. Okay guys, so don't get confused. Now let's add a featured image. Let's select featured image. Let's select that image if we have that. Okay, this is the one. Select this one, click on set featured image, and everything is fine. Let's click on publish. Let's view this post in a new tab. So open this link in a new tab. Okay, so this is how it is looking. It is still loading. Okay, now we can change how it looks, and now we can also see this thing over here. Okay, this is the thing, the subscriber form. This is the reply, comment section, author section, social icon and everything. Okay, so this is how you create a single post. Now let me again import some post so that we don't have to create 100 of posts in this video, and let us save some time. So again, hover tools, click on import. Now again scroll down and click on run importer. Choose file. Now come to this page, select this thing. Now here you'll find this blog folder, select that, and under that you'll find this file. Select this and click on open. Now click on upload file and import. Now you can assign it to any user and tick mark this, click on submit. Okay, so it says all done. It has not given any error. So let's see, click on post. Okay, as you can see we have many different posts over here imported. By default this hello world post is there. We don't want it, so you can just delete it. Fine. Now let's come back to our website. Okay, now we also have these things over here. Okay, now if you refresh or if you go to the home page, let's click on this thing. Now we have some different posts. This thing, if you click on single category post, you'll see post related to that category, and you can open this post and so on. Now we can change the look of this thing, okay, from the settings. So again, come back to the dashboard, click on theme options. Now scroll down and we were under blog, so click on blog. Okay, so latest post, featured categories. Now in the category, for example, here we are under funny category. So how should the post show? So we want the latest post to show at the top. Okay, so we'll select latest from here. If you want to show something else, you can select that thing. Okay, then we have numbered. If you see, the pagination is numbered at the bottom. This is numbered. So we have number 1 page, number 2 page, and so on. And we have this excerpts. Okay, now don't select full post, make sure you select excerpts, because you know what happens, we see only a small portion of that post. As you can see, only 2 lines. We don't want to see the whole post. If you want to see the whole post, we'll just click on this blog or post and we can read that thing. But here, because this is the archive page, we want only a small excerpt from that post. So make sure excerpts is selected. Then again, post meta information, we have date, author name, comment count, categories. Again, you have date, author name, comment count, and categories. Okay, so if you want, you can change this thing, you can disable something, you can change the layout. If you want to change the date format, instead of this, you can select this kind of thing. You know, instead of this style, you can select this style. Light box, you can make this thing on. So what happens is, if someone is trying to open an image, it will not open in a new tab, it will open in the same tab. So that is what a light box is. Okay, click on save changes now. So we haven't done any changes over here, so there is no need to refresh the page and see what are the changes that have taken place and so on. Okay, now again, come back to this setting page. Now let's see what we have next. So let's scroll down. We have single post, how a single post looks like. So let's open up single post and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it is looking. We have this sidebar at the right and so on. Now let's see over here. Okay, so single post layout, we have post content, related post, author box, and tags is disabled. Okay, so let's see, post content, related post, author box. So post content, then we have related post, and then author. So what you can do, you suppose I want author box before the related post, so I can do so. Okay, now again, meta information, if you want something, you can have it. If you don't want, you can just disable it. Breadcrumbs, it is on and it should be on. Let me show you what a breadcrumb is. This is a breadcrumb. This shows the hierarchy. For example, home, then funny. Under funny category, we have this post, so that is important. Highlight author comment, yes, we do want to do that. Date in comments, we want to show the date when the comment was made. Okay, for example, here the date is shown, so that is also important. Everything is fine over here. Click on save changes. Now let's see what's next. Okay, let me see. Okay, after that we have social buttons, and this is the same thing, you know, floating. Where do you want your social buttons on pages? No, make sure this is off. We don't want social buttons on pages, we want them only on post. So make sure this is off. And again, you can change this thing, you can, you know, change whatever you like. You can change it, if you can disable it, you can enable it, it's all up to you. After that, we have ad management. Okay, so this is also a very good feature. Suppose if you want your, you know, AdSense ads to show on your page, you can just paste in those codes over here. Okay, so they have simplified it, which is really good. After that, we have sidebars. Now you can assign sidebar to different things. We'll see sidebars at the end, so don't worry. Now we have navigations. So we don't have any navigation over here. We'll see these things also. Let's see the last thing, which is typography, which is the font. For example, if you see over here, this is using a different font and a different font color. The color is purple and the font is something different. You can change the style of the font and you can also change the color if you want. Okay, so here we have text, logo font, navigation font. So this is the font which is used over here in the navigation menu. If you want to change this, you can change the font style, you can change whether normal, bold, or you can change the font height, you can change the font color, and so on. So I don't want to do any changes over here. I'll just leave it like this. But if you want, suppose you have some favorite font you want that on your website, you can easily do so. Okay, now we are done with most of it, in fact all the settings. Now let's see the things which are left. So the first thing which is left, I think, is let's create a contact us page first. Okay, first let's see how the contact us page looks like over here. So let's click on contact page in the demo website. So this is how it looks like, and don't worry, you don't have to create this contact form, and so it is already created. Just copy this text, or you can obviously put in any text, but I'm just copying some text over here so that I don't have to type in anything. So I'm just copying it. Come back to your dashboard. At the left hand side you will see these pages. Hover pages, click on add new. Now we'll be adding or creating a new page, a contact us page. So you can name it anything. I'm just naming it contact us. Okay, now in the template you'll have to select contact page. Okay, you have this page attribute at the right hand side. Under that you have template. Under template select contact page. Okay, now here paste in anything you want, and below that the contact page will show. Now click on publish. Now let's see this page. So let's open this view page in a new tab. Okay, so as I said we have our contact page over here, okay, which is looking really amazing. Now if you can set no sidebar. For example, I don't like this sidebar in the contact us page, so I can just select no sidebar from here. Click on update. Let's again refresh this page. Okay, now we don't have any sidebar, and this is looking much better. Okay, so this is how you create a contact page. Now let's do one thing. Let's create our menu, because this is the menu which is automatically created, but we want our custom menu, or we want a menu something like this. We have our home, we have all coupons, we have different categories, then we have the contact page, and we don't have the contact page and home page over here. So let's do that. So to do so, again come back to your dashboard, hover appearances, and click on menus. Okay, now here you can name it anything. Let me name it main menu, which I always do. Now click on create menu. Okay, let's add something one by one. So first thing is our home page. So what I'll do, I'll open this custom link. I'll just copy my website URL, come over here, paste that under URL, and in the link text I'll type in home and click on add to menu. And after that we have this all coupons. Again what I'll do is I'll just paste in my website URL, and after that I'll type in coupons. Okay, so it's your website URL / coupons, and in the link text I'll type in all coupons. Click on add to menu, and after that we have these categories 1 2 3 4 5 4 categories. So let's add those categories. Okay, so this is not the category. Okay guys, so this is the blog category. We don't want this category, so that also will be adding through this link. So what you can do is you can hover coupons, and under that you will see categories. So open these categories in a new tab so that we can easily copy and paste everything. Now your first one is clothing. Now when you hover clothing, you'll see this view. Right click on this view and click on copy link address. Now paste it under URL, and under link text type in the name of the category, which is clothing, and click on add to menu. So similarly you can add different categories. For example, let's add this electronics. So paste it under URL and type in electronics. Click on add to menu, and similarly you can type everything. So I'll just remove that, and after that we have the blog page. Now now let me show you how to do that. In fact we'll see later on. First let's create this contact page. So we have already created a contact page which is here, which we just created. So you can just copy this link, or what you can do, because we have created this page, you can go to pages. Here we have pages, and here you'll see this contact page. Click on add to menu, and the contact page is added. After you add all these menus over here, make sure you to tick mark this primary. If you don't do this, your menu will not show up on the website. Okay, so make sure you tick mark primary and click on save menu. Now let's refresh our website and let's see the changes. Okay, fine. Now we can see it is home, all coupons, and so on. Now let's create a new page. Okay, let's create a new page and let's open this in a new tab so that we don't go away from this page, because we have to come to this page. And let's add a new page called blog. Okay, and let's don't do anything, just click on publish. Okay, just type in the title, click on publish, and now go to settings. Click on settings from this left hand side. Now here, okay, not settings, under settings we have readings. So click on readings under settings, and here we have this your latest post, a static page. So select a static page, and under post page select blog, the page which we just created, the blog page. Click on save changes. Okay, now again come to this menu page, refresh this page. Okay, now we have this blog page over here. Add to menu, and you can put it anything, anywhere you want it. Okay, now click on save menu. Now again let's refresh this page, and we should have a blog thing over here. Okay, so we have our blog over here. So we have also created the menus. Now let's see our sidebars. For example, if you see over here, we have this very bad looking sidebar over here, but here we have some beautiful things in the sidebar. Okay, so let's add this. We have different sidebars for different purposes. For example, for post we have different sidebar, and for coupons we have different sidebars. So this is the sidebar for post. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is really looking beautiful, and our sidebar for post is really looking terrible. Okay, so let's change all these things now. So again, come back to your dashboard, and how our appearances, in fact we are under appearances at present, and click on widgets. Now here you will see the first option is sidebar. Okay, and this is the option which we have to make changes. So first is the search bar, after we have recent post and so on, and here we have the search bar at the top, but after that we have some different things. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll keep the search bar, but I'll delete rest of the thing from here. So I'll just click on this one, select delete, click on archives, delete it. Categories I'll delete, I'll keep the categories. Okay, because after search I have these categories, but I'll do some changes over here. I'll make this thing, I'll just tick mark this thing which says show post count, because here as you can see it is showing the number of posts, for example 9, 6 and so on. Okay, and click on save, and I'll delete this meta. Okay, and after categories we have these things, these social icons. So again come back under widgets, and when you scroll down you'll see this thing, MTS social profile icons. Select this thing and make sure sidebar is selected over here. Click on add to widget. Okay, so that is added over here as you can see. Now we can give it any title, you can put in all your URL over here. So what I'll do, I'll just put in hashtag everywhere, because I don't want to put all these things over here. So I'll just put in hashtag everywhere just to see how it looks like. Okay, this much is fine. Okay, let's put in everything. Fine. Now after this we have our popular post. Okay, so let's minimize this thing first, and again scroll down and you'll see MTS popular post. Select this thing, make sure sidebar is selected, and click on add widget. Okay, now popular post, popular time limit. So the post which were popular for last 30 days, okay, it will show up over here. Okay, so popularity can be based on different criteria like views, comments and so on. Okay, You can increase or decrease the popularity level. For example, you can select 1 day, so it will show the post which is popular on that particular day, or you can select 7 days, it will show the post which is particular or which is popular on that particular week, and so on. Okay, now number of posts to show, you can increase or decrease the number of posts to show. That is quite understandable. Now here we have show thumbnails, so we do want to show the thumbnails, which is this images, and that looks beautiful. Now everything is fine. Select this, minimize this, and after this popular post we have latest posts. Okay, so again scroll down and we should have, okay, recent post, MTS recent post. Select this thing, make sure sidebar is selected, click on add widget. Now number of posts to show and everything, you can change it from here. So all the sidebar or all the widgets are present. So let's refresh this page and see the changes. Okay guys, as you can see over here, okay, the popular posts are not showing. That is maybe because we don't have, we have just created this website and all the posts are same. No one has more views or something, that's why it is not showing. But obviously when you use this website for 2-3 days, then it will start showing. But this is a problem over here. I think we didn't save this thing, the social icons. So let's do one thing. Let's open this profile social icons and let's go at the bottom and click on this save button. Let's again refresh. Now we can see everything over here and this is really looking beautiful. Okay, so this was the sidebar or the widget for the post. So these are different posts. Now let's see the widgets and the sidebar for coupons. So let's click on add coupons, all coupons. Okay, so this is our coupon archive page and this is the sidebar. Now let's come to our demo website and let's see how the sidebar over here looks like. So let's click on coupons over here as well. Okay, so this is how it looks like and this is really looking nice. So let's add all these things now. So again come to the widget and this time we will be playing around with the sidebar coupon archives. Okay, so the first one is this thing. Now let's see how to add this over here. So let's search for that one. I think it is okay, this is the one, MTS coupon brand info. So select this one and now instead of sidebar we have to select sidebar coupons archive. Okay, so select this one and click on add widget. Now here you have to give some title, brand, image, URL and so on. So here the title is not shown, so let's not put any title, but you have to put in the URL of the image. So how will you do that? You have this media thing over here. Open this media in a new tab and suppose you want this eBay image. So what you can do is we'll search for eBay image. This is the one. Open this and here you have this URL. Just double click over here, it will select the URL, copy it from here and paste it under brand image URL, and you can change the text, the brand text, the button and so on. Click on save. Okay, now let's come over here and let's refresh. Now as you can see we have this thing over here. Now after this we have coupon categories. After that we have latest offers, then popular offers and so on. So it's really simple. You just have to add these things. MTS latest offer, click on add widget. Okay, and similarly MTS popular offers, here it is, MTS popular offers, click on add widget and that's done. Let's refresh and see. Okay, we have latest offers, we have popular offers, and obviously popular offers are not showing because all the coupons are having the same amount of usage. That's why. Fine. Now after that let's see the final thing, or maybe the second last thing I should say, the footer widget. Okay, this is the footer widget and here we don't have any footer widget till now, so let's add that. So under widgets now we should be working with this footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. So in the footer 1 we have this stats. So come to widgets and let's go to the bottom and here we'll see, okay, let's search for stats. Here it is, MTS site stats. select that, and from here select footer 1 because we want that on our footer 1 section, and click on add widget. Okay, so by default there are some things which are already given, so you can change that. For example, stats number. Okay, so here it is, the same number is given, 21,390. The logo or the icon is this tag icon, coupons redeemed. So here also we have 21,390 coupons redeemed. Stats icon, you can change the icon by clicking on this. You can select this, maybe this suitcase icon, and so and then you have same thing. Everything is given over here. You just have to change this text. Click on save. Now after this, in the second thing, we have a menu. Okay, so you can create a different menu, a footer menu, and you can add this menu over here, or you can just add the home menu again. Okay, so what you'll do is, let's search for navigation menu. Here it is. Select this thing, and now select footer 2. Click on add widget. You can give it any title. Okay, for example, here it says more links, so we can also put in more links. So let's type in more links and select the menu. So we are selecting main menu. You can create a different menu and include all these pages, and include that page in the bottom, in the footer. The third one is very simple. It's just some simple text. So you can copy this text from here, go to widget and search for text, and here it should be, here it is, text. Select this thing and select footer 3. Click on add widget and just paste in the text over here. Okay, you can give it a title, like here you have about coupon or something. Let's copy that same title, paste it over here, click on save. And the last one is this. Okay, we have and app available for Android, available for App Store. So that is also very easy. What you can do is, you have to select this MTS coupon app, select footer 4 from here, click on add widget, and as you can see, this is also already done. You have available for Android, then we have the Android icon. You just have to put in the URL. If you have any app, then you have to put in the URL of that app and click on save. Okay, once you do everything, let's refresh and see the changes. Okay, so we have our footer, a beautiful footer over here. Okay, now last thing is this thing, how to set up this login and sign up thing. Okay, I think I have already shown that. Let's see. Come to this dashboard, click on settings. Okay, this is the main important thing. You have to select anyone can register. Okay, now let's see whether we can register or not. So click on sign up. Okay, it is taking us to a new page. Now user can put in or select any username. For example, they can type in this username, they can type in an email address. So once they do so and they click on register, they will receive some kind of password over there. They will have to activate their account using their Gmail. So what we can do, we can just open Gmail from here. Let's see. And here is the mail which we just got. So open this, and here it is, your username and password info. Now you have to click on this link to activate your account, and you can reset your password from here. For example, let me reset this password. Let me put in this. Okay, click on reset password. Now I can log in with this. Okay, I can put, the user can just put in their username and put in the password and click on login. Now there is a problem. Let me show you first. Now here, if you see, when they log in, they only have one option, profile and this. Okay, but we want the user to be able to create coupons. Okay, so let's do that. Let's log out from here first. Again, come back over here. Let's refresh and log in as the main account, as the main administrator. Click on login. Okay, now when you log in as the main administrator and you click on users, you'll see that one guy has just signed up. Okay, this is the one, and the role, the default role is subscriber. Now what you have to do, you have to click on edit, scroll down, and role, instead of subscriber, just select contributor and click on update user. Okay, now again let me log out from here and log in from that user's account, and let's click on login. Now here if you see, now the user can create coupons, okay, so which is really cool. Now he can do so. Okay guys, so I think this is it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you find this tutorial helpful, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any doubt, any queries, any video request for me, you can put your comment in the comment section below. You can also share it with your friends. I would really appreciate that, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.